Hey fam, it's Linda Word. I am coming on just doing a quick, no fuss, no muss install. I'm not doing the spraying around the hairline with the spray. I'm not adding no foam to the hairline. I'm just installing my wig and moving forward. Like we used to do. And it actually came out great. So I'm glad I did do this. I'm also using the Sika Bond on the part just to kind of give it that flesh-like look. And I've been using this for the last, I guess, 2 weeks. It's turning out to work pretty good. So I'm liking it. Enjoy.
I'm gonna unplug this phone and I'm gonna turn the lights down soft and low. I gotta get you in the mood, baby. So come on, baby, come on. Yeah, yeah, baby. Baby, come on. Listen, have a seat in my lap. Let me undo your strap. Here's a glass of Chivas Regal, just enough to make you giggle and put you in the mood for love, and get you in the mood for love. Like a quiet storm, I can feel you getting real warm from your valley of love to your canyons above. Gonna get you in the mood for love. I'm gonna get you in the mood, baby. Mood for love. Gonna take you to the mountain, let you drink from the fountain. I know you about to explode from your passionate view. I'm gonna get you in the mood for love. I'm gonna get you in the mood for love. Can I have another kiss, baby? Do you like it? Honey, I love it. We still got a long way to go, baby. All night. Gonna get you in the mood for love. I'm gonna get you in the mood, baby. Mood for love. Let me rub you down.